Hello, I'm Bill the HVAC Hacker. Thanks for joining me on another one of my adventures. Here I am on a no AC call on this nice big unit. Let's see what's going on with this train. Why we're not cooling. Probably need a ladder to get up to these controls. We'll see. For now, we'll put here. Shut the power off so I move this door. You only got to loosen these. They don't have to come off all the way. And it lifts up. The way they made it is you could actually take this and tuck it here to help block some of the airflow. We're going to use the screws, whichever one you want, it doesn't matter, but for now let's move it out of the way. I wish they put the schematic on that because it would make life so much easier. Instead, Train likes to put it on the back of this door, but there's a lot going on that schematic. So let's see what's happening. Put it on. Let's get the meter out. Sunglasses can come off over here. I'm in the shade, so. High, low pressure switches. Around them. Better. Not really oily, is it? Look at this. That looks like it could be oil. Not a lot. That looks like it could be oil. Even here it looks oily. Not so much there. I'm waiting for it to start. Let's see the trap. It's dry. There's construction going on, so I think I feel a little oil. Let's open this thing up. Compressors should start any minute. And this is the filters. Filters are usually here. Bottom of your drain pan is usually here. Belt looks okay. Oil. Oh, it's a lot of oil. Okay. So we're not starting, so feeling oil. Low pressure switch, yellow, yellow. Yellow. Open line. Okay. So compressor 1 is off. Well, that's yellows are circuit 2. So compressor 2 is off on low pressure. That's that oil. Always inspect what you're working on, because the blues are this. Two open lines. Okay, that's telling me that both of my refrigerant circuits are low. Let's see what kind of pressures I get. If we're flat, I can't even consider recharging these systems. There's no tenant in the space. These things are under construction at the moment. So, make sure any gas that's in here is out. I hope there's some gas in it that I don't have to run and get nitrogen right away. Let's see, circuit 2. I should probably check circuit 1 first, because that's always got to start first. Nothing. Well, it's got a little pressure, but nothing. Circuit 1. Fully charged. No, it's not. Empty. Okay, so we got nothing in here, so a bubble test is not going to do anything. Let's see if we can find the obvious before I run and get nitrogen. Any side screws, sometimes they put screws on the side. And the drains are almost always in the way when you're working on these units. This thing's been glued in. Okay, this comes off. I don't know why train drains are always in the way. So we got the original filters from install still in here too. That's not a problem. Nothing. Okay. I mean, the oil under the Evap coil is telling me that they have a leaking Evap coil. Unless I find any oil here. It looks like somebody worked with a torch in here though, because that's all blacked up. That's all blacked up. But I'm not seeing any shininess. I'll tell you down here. Even then, no. So I'm getting no evidence of a leak. Now you come into here, right? That's just belt stuff, but that's all oil that I'm seeing in that pan. There's shininess in here. Somewhere in this coil, somewhere it's leaking. So I mean, this service coil is probably just ending here, because let's see that black oil. Yeah, so that black foam thing has oil on it. Let's see if we see the other side. If it's abrasible, I could fix it. If not, it has to be replaced. I wish on this side they would give me let's see, I don't think the back one will give me good access. I think I had to go one forward just like the other side. No, the back one should give me access. Boom. In here without cutting the steel, that's gonna become a nightmare. We do have oil here. I'm feeling. I'm just going by feel here. That's underneath, even on this side. That's got all oil all over it. What did something hit the coil here? Nope. Nah, so this coil has to go. Well, that's pretty much it for the service call. I have a leak in Evap coil, somewhere inside the Evap coil. Nothing out here. You're showing signs. I mean, I could spray it, but I got like zero pressure on that coil. I don't want to lug up 410A or nitrogen up onto this roof. Unfortunately today, this unit has a leak in a Evap coil. I might have another leak somewhere else. The downfall to this right now is a pressure test won't matter. It won't matter at all. I mean, if I had leaks on my high and low pressure fittings, I can snug them up when I come back. There's no oil that I'm finding at all around my condenser coil. I always look, and that's something everybody should do, is check here. Because if you have a condenser leak, you're gonna have oil just like we had by the Evap coil in this section. I mean, this machine lost how much refrigerant? We lost the whole charge. So I mean, let's see, we're gonna go cooling data. We have circuit 1 is almost 10 pounds, circuit 2 is 6.5 pounds, almost 6.2, 6.25. So I mean, right there is almost 17 pounds, 16 pounds. Yeah, I'm gonna say it's more 16 pounds. My math is really bad right now, 410A, but 16 pounds of 410A, and you see all that oil in that drain pan. I'm wondering, I mean, not for nothing, when somebody was putting this in, I can't really see it, and I don't feel like taking the filters out. I'm wondering if something hit the coil. That's what I'm wondering, but that's not a concern for now. Well, I'm the HVAC hacker. Thanks for watching. Unfortunately, this service call ends right here because this Evap coil needs to be replaced. Hit thumbs up, subscribe. Until next time, I'm out.